Let's see what's new at Dollar Tree. I hope you're all ready for fall. Not only do they have the flowers out, they also have all the ceramic pumpkins out. And these always go super fast. So when you see the ones you want, go ahead and grab them now. We've got the white and the orange, the gray, and then this ceramic white and orange one. And then we've got some cool acorns and pine cones in copper and also in silver. And then over here, we've got some brown pumpkins. These are really pretty. And then some like white, like washed wood. These are super cute owls. And then more pumpkins in the green, orange. That one says thankful. And then they have these really pretty, let me grab this one, white ones that have leaves on them. And then they have larger ones. And then this one is super cute right here that says be blessed and thankful, and that's in the white and then also in the orange. And then another one that's got sunflowers on it. So if you're out, make sure you check your stores because they have lots of fallout. And then we've got some more gold and copper and orange pumpkins in a couple different sizes. And then look at these super cute fox. And then some more pumpkins in ceramic and blue, orange, green, and that creamy white. Really pretty. Got some new candles, midnight jasmine, wood sage and sea salt, white amber, and prosecco and rosé. These smell pretty good and the jars are really cute. We've got some cute new dog signs. I'm only talking to my dog today. A wagging tail, a friendly wolf, bring joy to all beneath this roof. Life is better with a dog, and stay positive. These are really cute. We've got some new stationery. These are iridescent, like the different rainbow colored pen holders. These are really pretty. Holographic, that's what I was looking for. And then we also have some new trinket trays. My heart, your love, Mr. Miss, a heart and ring, and then happily ever after. Along with the hard candy line, we've got these new hard candy makeup pouches. These are really nice for $1. And the inside has this fun black and white pattern. They're really soft to touch. And there's a zipper here. Open up the other side. It zips on both ends so it can expand. But that's a great score for $1. We've got some new home decor signs. Hello with the green background, family with the pink, and then gather with the blue. We also have some new vases in the pretty purple, this pink, and clear. This would be a great base for like the dessert tray to use as the pedestal part. Just glue it together with some E6000.